Hola, bienvenidos, hi, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing or opening up my very first Boxycharm, and I wanted to make it as a video just because I want to share with you guys the products that I received. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so this is what the box looks like, and I love how the packaging is the products, they protect it with this little foam. You do receive this little card, and it gives you like the information and the stuff for the products. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I got. So this is what I got for the month. Oh god, it's a little heavy. As you guys can see, the products. Okay, let's get started. You guys see that? Let me open it up for you guys, see what's oh, okay, so they do have it very wrapped. I'm gonna open it up just so we can see what this is. I like the packaging. I like how it's white and gold. Let me open it. Okay, so oh, it smells good. It's so it shows you on the back all the ingredients and all that, but for today I just want to show you guys what I got. I don't want to go all into details because I gotta be somewhere right now. Ooh, can you guys see that? It has like little tiny stuff in it. You guys can see that. See that? And you can, when I rub it, you can actually feel it like little scrubbing. I like that. Oh, I need a little wipey just to clean it up. For me, home products, not home products, but face products, because I need those. Okay, and the next one, oh, I got another one, which is the Glow recipe. This is a watermelon glow sleeping mask, and it is made out of watermelon. How cool is that? And then in the back it gives you the little ingredients. So let's open it up. Yeah, so it comes with this little paper. Let me see, can you open it? Yeah, you can open it. And then it comes with more information in here. So it says here, Glow Recipe Skincare is powered by Revolution Korean skincare technology and fruit. Natural. And it says it's a texture innovated formula maximized results to deliver glowing, youthful, radiant skin effortlessly. Oh, that's nice. Let's open it up, and this right here is so fancy. It's really heavy. So yeah, this right here, it's a sleeping mask, which I find it very pretty. Okay, and it does say, it says to mix it up a little bit when you use it. But yeah, where is it at? This has a little, oh, okay. It has this little thing. It comes with something to protect. And oh my gosh, it literally smells like freaking watermelon. Oh, it smells good. It's, oh my god, it's a little gooey. You know what it feels like? Almost like that gooey stuff that all kids like. Okay, look at that. See that? my gosh, it smells so good. I can smell it all day. Yeah, pretty bold. Can you guys see that? Focus. Why is it not focusing? Okay, let's open it up. Let's see how it feels. So we're about to open it. Okay. I don't know if it's supposed to go like that or it's just already was bent. No, you know what? It is. Okay, let me show you guys right here. Let me touch it with my finger just to see how it feels. The concealers that I like when they're, oh, this one's really creamy. And look at that. That is so creamy. That feels good. And it doesn't really have a scent to it because, you know, most of them don't have a scent. Yeah, it just smells like regular makeup. Next is, I think it's the brand Queen, almost like Queen. That's pretty. It's like a little, you guys see that little dragon? That's cute. Okay, let's open it up. And this right here, it says it's a thick skin matte lip stain. And it comes in the color thick skin. See that? Let's see. Remember, this is the first time I'm actually looking at the products. Like, I didn't open any. Oh wow! I did not open any of them. How pretty is that? See that? Okay, let's open it up. And this is what it. Ah, wrong one. This is what it looks like. It looks like a kind of like a peachy color. So let's see. Oh wow, that's pretty. Let me try it on. I need a little mirror just so we can see how this product works. Okay, so let's try it out. A little more. This color reminds me of a lip gloss that I already have from Anastasia. Oh my gosh, this one's gonna be perfect for summer. So if you guys see me with this color, you know it's gonna be this right here. I love it. So pretty. I feel like it goes good with my skin color. Que estoy morenita. Okay, and the last, this right here, this is a palette. Yeah, I've seen it before. Got this little palette. It is from the brand Ace Beauty. So this is what the package looks like. Can we talk about the package? How beautiful it is. Está bien bonita. Se me hace bien bonita. Okay, let's open it up. Whichever side. Okay. Okay. I'm so excited. Oh, so it looks just like the packaging from the outside. How pretty is that? I like that. Look at that. Okay, now let's open it up. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Oh, wow. Let me take this up. Look at those colors. They give me summer vibe. I don't know about you guys. Oh, I like those right there. All these colors right here. They're pretty. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Okay, let's I didn't do my eyeshadows because I actually wanted to mess with this on camera. And yeah, let's see what I can create with this cute little palette. And I like that it comes with the names. I didn't even show you guys. Look at the names. You guys see all those names? We got like Sunset Rose. We got Luscious. We got Shade, Sangria. Wow, Pink Moon, Bahamas. Oh my gosh, the names are cute. And I love the mirror. I love when palettes come with mirror, because usually when you gotta go somewhere or you're traveling and then you don't have to worry about carrying a mirror or anything like that. Like me, I like to do my makeup in close-up, and this right here is perfect. Okay, so let's try it out. so this is what it looks like with the complete eyeshadow and everything. I like how it came out. I just love how pigmented the palette is, and yeah. Okay, so I hope you guys like this little video I made of me showing you guys my little Boxycharm, and thank you for watching. And if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to push like and subscribe. See you on the next one.